If you're trying to reset your iPhone without losing any data, you'll want to do a soft reset or reset all settings rather than a factory reset. A soft reset will simply reboot the phone, while resetting all settings will restore system preferences to default but keep your data intact. To perform soft reset, you have to simply launch your settings on your device. From there, select General. Now scroll down to the last. There you will see option of transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on it. From here, select reset and to reset all settings. Once you enter your passcode, your reset process will be begin. In this way, you can easily do soft reset in your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.